Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Today, we will learn the letter B. Say it with me. B for bakery shop. B for baby doll. B for big ball. B for bluebird.
There, fly for me. Tweet, tweet. Yay, again.
B for beautiful butterfly. B for bright sun. B for busy bee.
There. Fly high.
B for baby boy.
Ah, Papa.
B for big bus.
Let's go. Whee!
B for best friend. Awesome job, kids! Today we learned many words with the letter B. Keep practicing and say them every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ABC fun. See you in the next lesson.